Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook rasam rice. First, gather your ingredients, including tamarind, tomatoes, and your preferred spices. We will begin by preparing the aromatic rasam base, ensuring a perfect balance of tangy and spicy flavors. Next, we will cook the rice to a fluffy consistency, ideal for absorbing the rasam. Finally, I will demonstrate how to combine these two elements to create a comforting and incredibly flavorful South Indian dish that is both easy to make and deeply satisfying for any meal. To craft the aromatic rasam, begin by soaking a lemon-sized ball of tamarind in 1 cup of warm water for 15 minutes to extract its tangy pulp. Next, in a pot, sauté 1 chopped tomato until soft, then add a pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of rasam powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida for depth. Combine this with the strained tamarind pulp and 2 cups of water, simmering for 10 minutes. Finish by tempering with 1 tablespoon of ghee, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and dried red chilies for an irresistible aroma. For the perfect rice, cook 1 cup of your preferred variety, like Sona Masuri or Basmati, with 2 cups of water until it's fluffy and each grain is separate. Avoid overcooking to prevent a mushy texture. Once both the rasam and rice are ready, gently combine them in a large bowl. Start by adding about 1 part rasam to 2 parts rice, then mix thoroughly. You can always add more rasam to achieve your desired consistency and flavor intensity, ensuring every spoonful is bursting with taste. To serve and truly enjoy your homemade rasam rice, garnish generously with freshly chopped coriander leaves for a vibrant finish. A small dollop of ghee stirred in just before serving adds a wonderful richness and aroma that elevates the entire dish. This comforting meal pairs beautifully with a crispy papad, a tangy pickle, or a simple vegetable stir-fry. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, making it a convenient and delicious option for future meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.